Well, it's snowing and we've got the compound Turbo Hilux out for once. It's been so long since this thing's been off-road, mainly because the tyres are flogged. But we thought, hey, it's a time to get it on gate and get some audio clips of it off-road for once, because it's only been on the road with this new setup. So, you know, we've got a dead spot in the steering, we've got bald tyres on the front, and a questionable CV. But we'll see how we get on. Just a wee play, a wee listen, and it's going to be a nice short video, I think. Yeah. And in the meantime, we found a coffee spot in the middle of Lake Limping, so we're going to stop, grab a coffee, and get wheeling.
It was so fun.
It's full blizzarding. Oh shit. Jesus. This thing held up bloody awesome. Oh my god. And we've done a rod. Shit. Service. Not good. Not good. We managed to limp it up the hill in first gear, just idling it. The crazy thing is I've still got a little pressure, but it's just knocking like mad. We need to get to service so we can call someone to tow us back. It's been a couple of Ks now, still got oil pressure, but it's not sounding, not doing too well.
No.
Nope. Cheer butt up. Like it looks better on the trailer, eh? I don't think I'm cut out for YouTube in that case, because that's 2 in a row. We've finished up on the hoist, and I think we've spun a bearing. Let's see what the oil looks like. I mean, it's black, but I need a torch. I'm so confused. I was sure there'd be metal in here. Well, this is weird. Crank looks fine. These, we haven't spun any bearings. They're not too flash. There's a little bit of scoring on them. And one of them has a hot spot. I think it was... You can see a little bit of scoring on this one. I think no. So, primed up the pump as much as I can. Timing belt's temporarily on in the front. We're gonna see if the old girl fires up with having the valves hit the pistons about 10 million times. We're about to find out. First hand, ladies and gentlemen, will I get away with it or will I not? As in, for now. Holy moly. Somehow, the mighty 3.0 lives on. The injector pump seized up, skipped the timing, valves were hitting the pistons, just put the pump in, and what the heck? It's not healthy, but it runs. That's fucking awesome, boys. 3.0, God's motor. Oh, I don't know how that... It's not healthy. It's so smoky in here, but it's going. We are on for the expo.